Today I am going to explain the fifth lesson, the land of ice and snow. What is the name of the lesson? Land of ice and snow. In before class, we learn about the land of dense forest in the world. No, today land of ice and snow. So in this lesson, we learn about which area is called as land of snow, where it is situated, and what is the climatic condition of land of snow, and which are animals and birds live in this area, and who are the original inhabitants of land of snow, how they lead their life, and where did the inhabitants live in land of snow, and also which is the main occupation of the people. Understood? So these are all the things learned in this lesson. Understood? What do you learn? We learn about land of ice and snow. So the land of ice and snow is called Greenland. Greenland is called as land of ice and snow. So Greenland is located. Where it is located? It is located in the North Polar region. Where it is located? North Polar region. It is in the largest island in the world. Greenland is island. Island means what? The four sides is covered with water. Four sides is covered with water. In middle there is a land. No, that is called island. Greenland is also island. So it is the largest island in the world. It is located where? Where it is located? It located North Atlantic Ocean, lying off the east coast of Canada. Where it is located? It located in the North Atlantic Ocean, lying off the east coast of Canada. Greenland has an area of about 2,175,000 square kilometer. That is the area of Greenland. What is the area of Greenland? 2,175,000 square kilometer. The area from Arctic Circle to the North Pole in the northern hemisphere, and from the Antarctic Circle to the South Pole is the southern hemisphere, is called polar region. Which part is called as polar region? The area from Arctic Circle to the North Pole in the northern hemisphere, and from the Antarctic Circle to the South Pole in the southern hemisphere is called polar region. This part of the earth extremely cold. Most of it is covered with ice and snow. Polar region is covered with ice and snow. Now let us learn about what is the climatic condition of land of ice. So the climate is very cold throughout the year. The climate is very cold throughout the year. It is a ice cap. The temperature is always below the freezing point. The climate along the coast is pleasant in the summer season, the weather being usually sunny and dry. The Arctic Circle passes to the southern part of Greenland. So most of the Greenland therefore lies in the freeze zone in the northern hemisphere. This region is known as tundra region. The northern part of northern hemisphere of the Greenland is a freeze zone. So it is called tundra region. More than 4/5 of the total area of Greenland is covered with permanent ice and snow. Most of the ice-free land is along the coast and has low mountains. Through the gaps in the mountains, ice spills into the sea from the glaciers. When ice reaches the water, it sometimes breaks off and floats out into the sea as iceberg. Icebergs are large masses of the ice floating in the sea and are found mainly to the south of Greenland. What are icebergs? Icebergs are large masses of ice floating in the sea and are found mainly in the south of Greenland. Look at the picture, children. There is a iceberg floating on water. No, iceberg actually much larger than any sea. Because when icebergs float on water, most of them remain underwater. Understood? So these are the main thing we see on sea. So next, what type of vegetation in the land of ice? The almost whole Iceland is covered with snow. It is a hardly any greenery. So no plants or vegetation can grow on ice, no. During the short summer season, short grasses and lichens grow. There is not much economic activity except hunting and fishing. Wildlife, what is which type of animals live in this area? Animals which can bear extreme cold and found on this land island. Bear, polar bear, it is called polar bear. This includes polar bear, reindeer, arctic fox, moxa, musk ox and polar wolf. These are the animals found in land of ice. The powerful wolf-like dogs called huskies. The powerful dogs like the powerful wolf like dogs called huskies. They are important domestic animals. Which are the important animals? Huskies. Huskies means it is a wolf like a dogs, used to pulling the sledges. Why it is used? It is used for pulling the sledges. Seals and whales are found along the coast, which is hunted by the people. So this is the type of wildlife in land of ice. Life of the people. What type of people lived here? How they lead their life? The native peoples of Greenland are mainly Eskimos. Who are the native peoples of Greenland? Eskimos. The Eskimos, who originally come from North America, have learned to live in the harsh climate by working hard. They have fat and short body. How they look? They have fat and short body with copper or yellow colored skin. Eskimos are expert at fishing and hunting. Who are the inhabitants of the Iceland? Eskimos. So Eskimos lives in where they live? They lived in tents. The tents are called igloos according to the season, because the area is always covered with snow, no? So they are tents. In summer they erect the tents made a seal or reminder hide, while the winter they construct the igloos. So during the winter journey they could be temporary shelter made of snow. They make igloos by cutting the hard packed snow with blocks. And today most Eskimos lived in modern houses, but today the life of the Eskimos changes now. So look at the children. There are igloos. Greenland people saw igloos. How they look. So and house also here. That house is called igloo. They hunt the seals and whales. These are whales are polar bears. They which animals they hunt? They hunt the seals, whales and polar bears. Earlier they used the harpoons, especially spear and bows kill to the animals. What is the harpoon? Harpoon is one of the tool. It is used for, harpoon is a spear with rope attached to it. It is for kill the animals. They throw the harpoons across the distance and use the rope to pull back the animals that has been speared to or covered to the harpoon. Harpoon is what is like a ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಶ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ವ, ಆ ರೀತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಹೊಕ್ಕೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ವೇಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೀಲ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ನ. ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ವಿಂಟರ್ ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ದ ಎಸ್ಕಿಮೋಸ್ ಹಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೀಲ್ಸ್. ವಿಂಟರ್ ಸೀಸನ್ಲಿ ಹಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಎಸ್ಕಿಮೋಸು ಸೀಲ್ಸನ್ನು ಬೇಟೆ ಆಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ದೇ ಕಟ್ ಎ ರೌಂಡ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಆನ್ ಎ ಟಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫ್ರೋಸನ್ ರಿವರ್ ಆರ್ ಎ ಹೆಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೀ. ದೇ ಸೀಲ್ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿ ಐಸ್ come near and to take breath. So they wait near the hole and kill the seal with their spear. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು? ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಟಾಪನ್ನು ಫ್ರೋಸನ್ ಟಾಪ್ ರಿವರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀಲ್ಗಳು ಬಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೀತ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಆ ಹೋಲಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ತವೆ ಅವಾಗ ತಕ್ಷಣವೇ ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು? ದೇ ಸ್ಪಿಯರಿಂದ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಎಸ್ಕಿಮೋಸು ಸಾಯಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಹೀಗೆ ಅವರು ಬೇಟೆಯನ್ನು ಆಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ದೇ ಈಟ್ ದ ಮೀಟ್, ಅವುಗಳ ಮೀಟನ್ನು ಸಹ ತಿಂತ. ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್, ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸ್ಕಿನ್ನ ಟೆಂಡನ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೆಡ್, bones to make a needles and harpoon heads, bone the fat fuels. The clothes made out of the seal skin are worn with the fur turned into outside according to need. Men and women wear almost the same type of clothes. ಇಬ್ಬರು ಸಹ ಒಂದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಜಾಕೆಟ್ ವಿತ್ ವುಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಕಾ. ಅವರ ಜಾಕೆಟನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ರು? ಪರ್ಕಾ. ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದೇರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫರ್ಗೆ. ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸನ್ನು ಫರನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಳಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. We think the Eskimos always live in igloos and snow houses. This is not true. Igloo is the Eskimo word for any kind of house. It can be made of ice, stone, wood or skin. ಅವಳಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಗ್ಲೂ. ಸ್ನೋ ಹೌಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ವಿಂಟರ್ ಸೀಸನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ನೋ ಹೌಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. while Eskimo live in the tent during the summer season, most of the Eskimos now live in the modern huts and ಇವಾಗ but today there are changes their house. Most of the Eskimos lived in modern huts and houses ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. How the people travel? On land, the Eskimos travel from one place to another on sledges. Look at the picture, page number 34. There is a sledges are given. No? So they are pulled by reindeer. So sledges pulled the reindeer or team of tough wolf like a dogs or huskies. Huskies means it is like a dog. Eskimo boat and kayak. Kayak is skin covered canoe which can hold only one person ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ದೇ ಯೂಸಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಡರ್ ಬೋಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಯುಮೈಕ್. ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬ್ರಾಡರ್ ಬೋಟ್ಗಳು ಸಹ ಇರ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವುಗಳನ್ನ ಯುಮೈಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಎ ವೇಲಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ದ ವುಮನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳಸ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ರಿಕ್ಷಾ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪುಲ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. The life of Eskimos has undergone many changes in recent years, but today ಇವತ್ತು ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅವ್ರ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾವು ದೇ ಆರ್ ಮೆಷಿನರಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಔಟ್ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೋಟರ್ಸನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪವರ್ಡ್ ಎಡ್ಜಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್, ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ನೈವ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೇಡಿಯೋ, ಟೆಲಿವಿಷನ್. ಸಮ್ ಎಸ್ಕಿಮೋ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಸಹ ಇದೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಲೈಫ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಮಾಡರ್ನೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ದ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್, ಆಯಿಲ್ ಡ್ರಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ drawn by the Eskimos into the modern world. So they changes their life and they change also their occupation. They leave the spread of education, they help us to change their life or occupation. And today they such as oil drilling and mining saha ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Hunters use the rifles in place of spear ಆರ್ ಹಾರ್ಫನ್ ಬದಲಿಗೆ ಹಂಟರ್ಸು ರೈಫಲ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದ 4 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ ದ ಬ್ರೀಡ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. ಮೆನಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ನೂಕ್ ಅನ್ನುವ ಸಿಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ಎಸ್ಕಿಮೋಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸರ್ ಟು ದ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. Fish processing is the major industry in Greenland. Sheep raised in small numbers in the southwestern coast. A very small parts of land in the southwest is suitable for agriculture and some vegetables can be potatoes are grown. So ಇವತ್ತು ಶೀಪ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಸಹ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೋಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸನ್ನು ಸಹ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಟೊ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ the land of snow. Which is the land of snow? Greenland. Most of the Greenland lies in tundra region. 80% of Greenland is covered with snow. Animals, fish, sea, birds can be withstand the extreme cold are found in Greenland. Eskimos are originally inhabitants of Greenland. Most people in Greenland live in the south coast, western coast. Fish processing is the major industry of India. So what kind of climate does Greenland have? It is extreme cold climate. What are icebergs? The icebergs, what are icebergs? Icebergs andre enu? The icebergs are large masses of ice floating in the sea. This is called icebergs. Icebergs are much bigger than the sea. And why? I give the class work for all these question and answers. Children, next class I will give the question. You write in class work, read and write. Once again you 2 or 3 times read the lesson and easy to learn the question answer. Next class I will continue. Till now, thank you, goodbye.